my name is Melissa Stark, and I'm the Commissioner of Apprenticeship Programs for the state of Utah. It is my pleasure today to announce the creation of the Utah Apprenticeship Network. This network has been established to support the talent recruitment and workforce development driven by specific Utah business needs through apprenticeship programs. This earn while you learn model ensures higher earnings for apprentices and provides Utah's economy a highly skilled workforce that are uniquely qualified to meet the changing demands of our economy. So the Utah Apprenticeship Network will be a connecting point to develop and promote apprenticeship programs and connect apprentices to opportunities and be a resource and provide technical support to employers while they're developing programs.
The value we see in this network is that one company acting alone with an apprenticeship is not nearly as effective as a group of employers who band together for workforce development and also best practices in apprenticeships.
We had no apprenticeship program established when we first started this. Once I reached out to Melissa, reached out to Alexia, reached out to Pat, we all started to talk, and they were absolutely crucial in helping us structure and get our standards put together and give education to our membership base. And really, without them, we would probably still be treading water trying to figure it out the first standard.
And I've loved my opportunity to work with the Department of Workforce Services, setting up tech apprenticeships inside the state. Apprenti was the first organization to do that, and we continue to do that here in the state. The Department of Workforce Services helps us both find apprentices and companies with which we can then arrange tech apprenticeships to give people opportunities they wouldn't have had otherwise.
So having an apprenticeship network is vital to Granite School District. The reason being is we are trying to kind of open new ground. We're trying to have companies who've never taken minors into positions like we're talking about, allow them to start while they're 17 years old. And I think that's crucial to have a network who help us work through the pitfalls, figuring out how to overcome insurance issues and a number of issues we've hit in the past.
So as you can see, having the Utah Apprenticeship Network here in Utah and being connected to the Governor's State Workforce Development Board will be a huge benefit for all key stakeholders: employers, job seekers, students, high school guidance counselors, anyone who has a desire to build an apprenticeship or be connected to apprenticeships will be provided the opportunity through this network. In the coming weeks and months, a number of resources will be developed to share and effectively develop and promote apprenticeship opportunities within our state. This network will provide business-to-business connections and networking events, sharing apprenticeship models and best practices for employers to develop successful programs today and remain competitive in a global economy.